Basic mathematical operators. Following are the basic mathematical operators used to calculate distance, time, and speed. 1. Addition. Addition operator is used to perform mathematical addition of two variables. In programming, we refer to plus as a symbol of addition. Please note that addition can only be carried out on integer, float, double, and string data types. Example: print 10 plus 5, 15. 2. Subtraction. Subtraction operation is used to perform mathematical subtraction of two variables. In programming, we refer to minus as a symbol of subtraction. Please note that subtraction can only be carried out on integer, float, double data types. Example: print 10 minus 5, 5. 3. Multiplication. Multiplication operator is used to find the mathematical product of two variables. In programming, we refer to asterisk as a symbol of multiplication. Please note that multiplication can only be carried out on integer, float, and double data types. Example: print 10 multiplied by 5, 50. 4. Division. Division operator is used to perform the mathematical division of two variables. In programming, we refer to slash as a symbol of division. Please note that division can only be carried out on integer, float, and double data types. Example: print 10 by 5, 2. 5. Modulus. Modulus operator is used to perform the mathematical remainder of two variables. In programming, we refer to percentage sign as a symbol of modulus. The operator divides the variable on the left to the variable on right and returns the remainder. Please note that modulus can only be carried out on integer and float data types in Python. Example: print 10 modulus 5, 0.